gonna buy some Coke and Mentos, and also we're gonna buy some different drinks. And we're gonna do an experiment at home. Let's go! Let's go do it! Guys, I found some Mentos, but we already have this one, so I'm gonna get these other ones. This is strawberry, and this is mint, and this is all flavors. Look, 1, 2. Maybe they didn't find it, guys. But we found it. Hey guys, we came back from Metro, and then now we're at home. And since I told you that we're gonna do the experiment at home, so they're right here. So let's see how big and how far and how long it's gonna be. Let's go! So here is the Mentos, but we already opened up the lids. So we're gonna put it in. So you guys count on 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Guys, that was big. Let's see what's gonna happen on this one. Guys, count on 3. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, that went super high. I think that was the highest so far. But let's see what's gonna happen on the Pepsi. Guys, on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Experiment was so fun, guys, right? So what should I do next? So like and subscribe right up there. Bye guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Like and subscribe.